Hot summer nights, mid-July.
Manyak! Manyak! Saan ka nakatingin? Ha? Saan ka nakatingin? Nakita mo yung paligid? Nakita mo yung ibon? Nakita mo yung paru-paro? Nakita mo yung bundok? Nakita mo yung mga bulaklak? Kasan-saan ka kasi nakatingin?
Aray ko!
Solid! Ang tamis! So sweet! Mwah! Parang ni-wrestling na! Wala na! Wala na! Hindi na po wala! Pag nakikita ko talaga itong mag-asawa na ito, oh my God, good times talaga! Next! Ay! Oy, ayan, magkagalit sila. Ay, galit sa ate. Takbo si kuya eh. Kasalanan na naman niya eh. Karipas eh, bugbog na naman siya. What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening guys. Yan, shoutout time po tayo. First shoutout po kay Kuya Rix from Talaingod. Yan, what's up? Next shoutout naman po kay Jing Fernandez. Okay, let's go. Next shoutout po kay Jelson Enero. What's up? Next shoutout naman po kay Arawangsa Alcadam. Hey, what's up? Next naman po kay Jones Mystica from Infanta Pangasinan. Hey, what's up? And next naman po kay Div Abelanosa Pogoy. Ayan, Div Abelanosa Pogoy. What's up? And yun na pala yung last one po natin. That's it guys, until to the next reaction video na nakikita natin dito sa SOCMED. Don't forget to like and follow and share, okay? Peace and well love guys.